Python, search a list of numbers in a list of very large numbers, allowing plus or 5 error.
If you need to do many searches, you can simply create a set and search in that. Creating the set is ON of course, but now lookups are O1.
Without sorting your list, ON time. With sorting, O lone time to sort plus O lon time to search.
I like it inspected forge its answer, but would invert it. Instead of sorting the long list and searching through it, and having to keep it all in memory. Sort the short list of numbers you are looking for, then iterate through the long list, seeing if each item matches any of the search terms. This should be both faster and use less memory. You may wish to use Python's bisect module to do this.
If you want the same audio, play as the transfigure subscriber.